Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're not a subscriber already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you. Today we're going to be doing these cute Rae Dunn inspired ornaments. They are super lightweight and super easy to make. So the first thing you're going to need is your wooden dowels, and I got these from Lowe's in the wood section, and we just trimmed them down to make frames and stained it. And then the next thing you're going to do is just glue them on. I just used hot glue because I didn't want to use the E6000 with the fumes around the kids, and it was late at night, so I wasn't going outside. So I just hot glued them, and once they were all together, they held up very nicely. I'd put the two ends, the smaller ends, inside of the larger ends, but you can do these several different ways, however you want to make them. I just thought they looked cuter and more professional like this. Okay, then you just let them sit for a little bit, pinch them together, you know, until that glue sets. I was picking off extra glue. It was really easy to kind of wipe off if I done too much glue in one spot. But so far it's going great, and I love these little frames. I want to make them for everything. Now for the back end, I just used an old cereal box, cut it up, and then I had a printable that I had made with the red. I chose red for my text, and the same thing, I just traced around and cut them out. This does not have to be perfect because you're not going to see the edges of this, but just kind of a general idea. Less worry, less measuring and all that. So super easy, just cut them out. Now the next step, I took those cereal boxes on the cereal box side, so to speak, and I just used some Mod Podge and glued down the text that I had. Now my printer was having trouble with my ink bleeding, so I did not Mod Podge over these. I did try one and it messed it up, so I redone it. But do not put the Mod Podge or anything on that glue on that font if your ink likes to bleed a little bit. So then I just glued this onto the back of my frame. Super easy. I did have to trim these just a little bit, and then I just added this cute buffalo check ribbon because I just liked the look of it together. And this was the easiest part, and it was fun seeing them come together. Guys, I loved this tutorial. It's super easy. Let me know if you like it and what your thoughts are. They just turned out so pretty, I think, and they're super lightweight so they don't drag down my tree. Guys, I hope you have a great Christmas. I hope you're enjoying these videos that I'm putting out. If you do like them, please let me know in the comments so I can make more. And also keep a watch out for my Christmas home tour, which will be on the channel very soon, guys. Thanks.